Hello students. Now we're gonna make a flower with some colorful circles. Okay. At first we need some more circle. Any color you want, you can take. Okay. I took red color circle and yellow color. Okay. At first we will put a yellow color circle in the middle. Where is the yellow color? Okay, now apply some glue the back side of it. Okay, and put it in the middle. Okay, it's done. And take one red color circle and apply some glue on it also. Put it here. Take another circle. Here as well. Take another circle. Okay, we're gonna put the last one is here. Done. Our flower is done. This is the flower with circle. Okay, now we can put some leaves. First we need this. Put some glue on it. Now tulips. This one is here. Another one is in the other side. Okay, our work's done. Yes, work's done.